So here's the new wheel setup for the AZ1 SEMA project. We got this fully recoated by MB Coatings out in Santa Ana. New Toyo Extensa HP2s. These are really good for, say, your daily driving use. Not really for track oriented or canyon, but you could use it for that. It's a pretty decent tire. And this actually weighs probably around, I don't know, 22 pounds or so, probably less. I got to get my scale out, but dude, this weighs absolutely nothing. I mean, the wheel itself, I think, is around 9.2-ish pounds, 15 6.5 Sprint Hart CPFs that I found used on Facebook Marketplace, and then I just got it recoated. It was really hard to find the color and the perfect white, but what you see right here is actually the pretty accurate color of the AZ1. So now I got to figure out what the color code of my AZ1 is and then paint match it so it looks exactly the same. I'm got to figure out how to make a center cap right here because I hate that look. Even on my TEs I made center caps for it, or I got center caps for it. So we're gonna slap these guys on, test fit it, and show you how they look. But dang, dude, they look so good right now.